Europe in the late 18th century was a continent on the brink of profound change. Old orders crumbled, paving the way for a new era. Amidst this turmoil, a figure emerged from humble beginnings on the island of Corsica, Napoleon. Bonaparte, born into a modest family, his early life hinted at the extraordinary ambition that would soon reshape the destiny of nations. The French Revolution, a storm of radical ideas, had swept across France, igniting a fire that would redefine Europe. This was the world Napoleon inherited, a canvas awaiting the brushstrokes of a military and political genius. His story is one of unparalleled ascent, a testament to strategic brilliance and an unyielding will to power. Join us as we explore the dramatic rise of Napoleon, from a young officer to the Emperor of the French. Discover how his actions left an indelible mark on the political, legal, and social landscape of an entire continent. Napoleon's military career began with a flash of brilliance at the Siege of Toulon in 1793. His innovative use of artillery secured a crucial victory, earning him rapid promotion and widespread recognition. This early success showcased his tactical genius, a preview of the strategic mind that would soon dominate battlefields. Next, the Italian campaign saw Napoleon transform a demoralized army into a formidable fighting force. Through a series of swift and decisive victories, he outmaneuvered Austrian and Sardinian forces, conquering much of Italy. These campaigns cemented his reputation as a brilliant commander, inspiring loyalty and fear in equal measure. His ambition then led him to the sands of Egypt, a daring campaign to disrupt British trade routes to India. Despite initial successes, the Egyptian campaign presented immense challenges, from harsh desert conditions to naval defeats. Ultimately, Napoleon returned to France, leaving his army behind, but bringing with him a renewed sense of purpose. The political landscape of France was ripe for change, and Napoleon seized the moment with characteristic audacity. In 1799, the coup of 18 Brumaire saw him overthrow the Directory, establishing himself as first consul of France. This marked his transition from military hero to political leader, consolidating power with swift and decisive action. As first consul, Napoleon embarked on a series of sweeping reforms that would forever shape French society. The Napoleonic Code, his most enduring legacy, standardized French law, influencing legal systems worldwide. His domestic policies brought stability and order after years of revolutionary chaos, earning him popular support. In 1804, Napoleon's ambition reached its zenith. He crowned himself Emperor of the French in a lavish ceremony. This act symbolized his absolute authority on the transformation of France into an empire under his sole rule. With the imperial crown upon his head, Napoleon embarked on a relentless quest to dominate Europe. The Napoleonic Wars, a series of conflicts spanning over a decade, reshaped the continent's political map. Victories at Austerlitz, Jena-Auerstedt, and Wagram showcased French military dominance and Napoleon's strategic genius. He established a vast network of client states and alliances, extending French influence far beyond its borders. To cripple his arch-rival, Britain, Napoleon implemented the continental system, an economic blockade. However, this policy proved difficult to enforce and sparked growing resentment across Europe. Nationalist movements began to stir, as conquered peoples yearned for independence from French rule. The tide began to turn with the disastrous Russian campaign of 1812, a monumental miscalculation. The brutal Russian winter and scorched earth tactics decimated Napoleon's Grand Army, marking a turning point. Emboldened by this defeat, European powers united, forming new coalitions against the weakened French Empire. After a series of defeats, Napoleon was forced to abdicate in 1814 and exiled to the island of Elba. But his story was not yet over. In 1815, he dramatically escaped Elba. Initiating the 100 Days, he rallied his loyalists and briefly reclaimed power. But his final defeat came at the Battle of Waterloo. Exiled once more, this time to the remote island of St. Helena, Napoleon spent his final years in isolation. He died in 1821. But his legacy, both as a conqueror and a reformer, continues to resonate through history. Napoleon's impact on Europe was profound, shaping political boundaries, legal systems, and national identities. His military strategies are still studied today, and his administrative reforms laid foundations for modern states. He was a complex figure, a brilliant strategist, a ruthless conqueror, and an enlightened reformer. His legacy remains a subject of debate, but his influence on European history is undeniable. From Corsican obscurity to imperial grandeur, Napoleon Bonaparte's story is a testament to human ambition and its consequences.